Who are you talking to? I have a feeling you have no idea.
talking to Bay. Just power swiping. Swipe right, swipe right, swipe right, swipe right. You know what I mean? That's bad.
I dare you to walk to your car right now.
My mom's probably watching us. Well, that's fine. I gotta find my keys first. What's up?
Colder, colder, warmer.
Why do I just have this sinking feeling that there's just a friggin' column, right?
Watch out! You're good.
His car's over there.
You're good.
Still graph. Interesting.
Keep going. A little bit more. Keep going. You're fine. A little bit more. One more step like that and you're at the curb. Curb.
Okay.
Follow my voice.
Eric, why are you helping?
Teamwork.
That's way too easy.
Teamwork.
You took the fun out of it.
It's just a leaf on the
Curb.
ground. Oh God.
Colder. 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 Cold. Still cold. Getting colder.
Where am I trying to? Is that what you wanted? Oh God. Now what? Oh my goodness.
Colder. Super cold. Getting warmer. Keep coming. Warmer. 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 Curb. Warmer.
I'm so lost right now.
Warmer.
I'm trying to brace myself.
Getting colder. Getting warmer.
Too bad your key fob doesn't work.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. It'd be a this would be like perfect timing for it to.
Getting colder. Colder. Warmer. Warmer, you're hot.
Ah!
You will notice in a couple seconds, or you already have, that this was not filmed this year. This is actually from a couple years ago when Eric and I stayed in San Diego with AJ Risley. We filmed a bunch of videos and 2 of these never got released. This is AJ trying to guess his bag, and there's also another one of Eric trying to guess his bag. Now is better than never, right? Enjoy.
Can you see?
No. I can't.
How many fingers am I holding up?
I like can't even open my eyes.
How many fingers am I
I
holding
have
up?
no idea.
How many fingers?
You lost.
I can't. All of them.
Alright, so we're gonna give AJ a disc out of his bag and see if he can figure out what it is.
A little guess your bag. See how well AJ knows his discs.
If I can guess it, it's gonna be based solely on feel, because I cannot see anything. I can smell though. But my discs don't have unique smells.
First disc.
It's a fairway driver. It's my Explorer.
Ding.
Ha ha ha!
Get there.
I could tell because of this little tiny little lip that's on here.
1 point.
What if I just braille with the mold? Yeah. This one's a little faster. Oh. Ooh. Remember, this is a significant gash. Is it the criminal?
Mm-hmm. Dang.
I love my discs. They're my family. My children. Hold on, I'm getting a text.
You don't know.
Hello? Oh, this is another driver. Oh. Feels like it's fusion. I'm gonna say this is the red fusion burst enforcer.
Wow.
Is it?
Is that considered red?
Red, light red, pink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Light red, aka pink.
AKA soft red. Soft red. Oh, mace all day.
1 second.
1 second. Killing it.
Defender. You could tell a defender and a gladiator because on the outside of the wing here, there's like a little whoop. It's like, what's the opposite of a scoop?
A whoop.
A whoop? Oh, that's a putter. It's one of my classic burst wardens. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, is this the... This is the getaway. Fusion burst getaway?
Yep.
Nice. I was like, oh, this is interesting. It's like not a 12 speed. It's not a 7 speed. It's a 9 speed. Yeah. Is this cheating? Is feeling the hot stamp on there cheating?
Nah.
Oh God, now I don't even remember which disc I put in there. This is the Lucid X Enforcer?
Yep.
Yeah!
Zach Milton.
This would be tough if these weren't like the discs that I throw all the time. Okay, this is a Felon. And it's the Oakley Felon.
Dang.
Lucid X.
Hopefully this one.
Now see, here's the thing is if I could tell you all the discs that are still in there, that might be kind of tricky. This is a Havoc.
Dang.
I could tell because most wings are concave. Havoc has a convex wing. Fun
Yeah.
fact. What else is even in here? Is this the Pre-Mac? I love the Pre-Mac so much. Yeah. I like my discs. Depert.
Wow.
Depirty.
So good.
So what's in there? We got one.
All right, let's see if we can guess what's left in your bag. That's going to be the harder part.
Okay, so there's one classic Warden for putting. Gobi's still in there. Bard is still in there. Maverick is still in there. the classic blend. I'm kind of like going in order too. Classic blend Warden, the purple one, is still in there. Hybrid Warden is still in there with the triple DD GBO stamp. Slammer's still in there. The Ballista Pro, the reddish pinkish with the double stamp, is still in there. Mango's still in there.
Wow.
This is the tough part. And then the Proto Felon, the misprint.
What else?
Is that a trick question? I can't remember if we put the W2 in there or not. That's the tricky part.
No, we didn't. 100%! Wow, dude.
Okay, now let's go find your car again.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dave almost. Wow, AJ. Wow.
Proud of you. Good work. You want to take a bow? All right.
Not cold.
Dang, I'm impressed. That was crazy. Every single one. And you knew exactly what was left.
I honestly think I am not going to do as well because I have the same disc.
Felon. This one's a felon.
Multiple
this one's a felon,
molds
this
for
one's
the
a
same disc.